Two blocks are attached to a massless cable and pulley system, and the mass of the small block and larger block are given, and we're asked to find the tension in the cable and the acceleration of the smaller block. We'll take in a free body of each block. We can draw the forces acting on each block. Where the tension in the cable is uniform, because the cable and pulley system are massless, and the magnitude of the acceleration vector for both blocks is equal. And now applying Newton's second law to the red block, and to the green block, and we can add these equations together and obtain an expression for the acceleration. And we basically eliminated the tensile force. And substituting the acceleration into one of these equations, which can be simplified as follows. And now you can substitute these numbers to find values for the acceleration and tensile force.